In today's video, we're shopping Restoration Hardware Outlet. So if you're looking to see some gorgeous home decor and beautiful vibes, then just keep on watching. Welcome back, and if you are new here, my name is Brittany and I do home and lifestyle here on this channel. That includes shop with me's for home decor, hauls, and home organizational videos. So if you're interested in seeing that sort of content, you can hit the subscribe button below. Let's get into this video. So if you've never heard or been to Restoration Hardware Outlet store, it is a high dollar luxury home decor and furniture store. They have some beautiful things, several showrooms. I especially love their bedroom decor and outdoor furniture the most. This store is all neutral vibes and I just really love it. So let's just get into it. Just so you know, Restoration Hardware Outlet does not include prices on their tags in store. They just have a barcode that you can scan. You can find all the prices on their website. But if you do pay a fee every year, and I believe it's like $100, then you can get 25% off of all of their stuff, which I have seen firsthand that saves a lot of money when you're making big purchases from this store. Their window treatment showroom is literally just all the neutral colors that you can find in drapes. And if you're looking at these pillows and thinking they're gray, trust me, in person they are pitch black. I think the lighting was affecting it on camera, but they were so pretty. So I come to the store to get all of the inspo, and I love how they stack art frames identically so that it takes your eye all the way up and it feels so much grander. I just love the way they take these huge ropes and use them as tiebacks for the drapes. This is such a moment to me. It uses all the natural vibes that I love and gray tones. It's just simple and beautiful. This wall of all their different mirror sizes all together with the light sconces above them. I just really love this look. It's so grand as you're walking up the stairs. And this bedroom bathroom combination right here was my favorite. I absolutely love the chandeliers that Restoration Hardware has. They have a lot of farmhouse vibes as well, contemporary modern. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget you can hit the subscribe button below for more content like this. I drop more shop with me's for home decor at all the stores that carry here on Tuesdays. On Thursdays, I do weekly Target shop with me's, and keep a lookout on Sundays because I'm about to start a new series of new home organizations. I hope you guys will join me. Hit the bell notification to be notified on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays when the videos drop. And I hope to see you in another video, which might be somewhere on your screen. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.